Ratchet tie down straps are like the secret weapon every road warrior and weekend adventurer needs in their toolkit. Picture this. You've got a truck bed loaded with precious cargo. Maybe it's a new set of furniture, a couple of dirt bikes, or even a load of lumber for your latest DIY project. The last thing you want is to see your goods bouncing around or, worse, tumbling off as you hit a sharp turn or speed bump. That's where the ratchet tie-down straps come in. These straps are the ultimate gear for keeping everything snug and secure. With their easy-to-use ratcheting mechanism, you can tighten them down with just a few cranks, ensuring that your cargo is held firmly in place. It's like giving your load a bear hug that doesn't let go until you say so. But what makes these straps truly awesome is their versatility and reliability. They're made from high-strength materials like polyester webbing, which is designed to resist stretching and withstand harsh conditions, from heavy rain to blazing sun. The ratchet mechanism itself is built tough, often from heavy-duty metal, ensuring it won't fail when you need it most. And let's not forget about the hooks. These bad boys are usually coated to prevent rust and provide a secure grip on whatever anchor points you're using. Whether you're tying down an ATV for a trip to the dunes, securing a kayak to your roof rack, or just making sure your moving boxes stay put, ratchet tie-down straps have got you covered. And the best part? They're so easy to use that even if you're all thumbs when it comes to tools, you'll still manage to get the job done right.